Good morning, Fallen Branch faculty and students. WFB is on the air. Today is Tuesday, October 1st, 2019, and it is a brand new day here at FBE. My name is Sophia Lively.
My name is Jordan Robinson. We would like to wish happy birthday to nobody.
Come down to the library after announcements to get your birthday pencil. We will now pause for the moment of silence.
As an FBE student, I will focus on learning, show respect to others, take time to own my actions and emotions, make good choices to take care of myself and others, and be safe so that together we are the future, becoming empowered for success.
Why do we get hurricanes?
It's all about the water cycle. So let's review. The water cycle starts with the sun heating up the Earth's oceans. They heat up so warm that water molecules start rising into the air. This is called evaporation. As the water molecules float higher in the air, they get really cold, so they stick together. This is called condensation. Soon all the water molecules get really heavy, and they are eventually pulled back down to Earth because of gravity. This is called precipitation.
Why do we have hurricanes?
We get our hurricanes off of the west coast of the continent of Africa. All of the hot air that comes off of the Sahara Desert is blown over the Atlantic Ocean, and that is what starts the extreme evaporation for hurricanes to form.
Okay, so this is regular rain, but hurricanes are huge. There are terrible storms that can pull up trees and houses. The flooding's in town, so what's the deal?
The spinning action of hurricanes come from how the Earth rotates on its axis. All the hot water is near the equator. Everything near the equator is traveling faster than objects near the poles. The students that are on the outside circle represent objects moving at the equator. Our four friends that have the smaller circle, they represent the condensation that is starting to form the spiral of a hurricane. The motion of the equator is making them turn. As more water molecules condense, they start to move into an organized spiral shape. Action.
What's the calm part of a hurricane?
What's the calmest part of the storm? The huge bands of precipitation are called rain bands. There's lots of rain, but there's also lots of wind. The spiraling action makes the center of the storm the calmest. There's not much going on. But if you're ever caught in the hurricane, there's lots of wind and lots of rain that pushes you around. Hurricanes that form in the Indian Ocean are called cyclones. In Southeast Asia, they're called typhoons. One more time.
Why don't mountains get hurricanes?
Hurricanes need oceans for food to make them grow strong. Once they are over land, they lose their food and they get weaker. Hurricanes especially don't like the mountains. The mountains make it too hard to spin, so most of the wind goes away. By the time the hurricanes get to us, high in the mountains, the wind is pretty much gone. All right, so thank you, Tatum, for having one of the great parts of the science question this week. And so Tatum will be picking our question for next week. So Tatum, go ahead. All right. What science question do we have?
Do you ever get new blood? And if you do not get new blood, tell me why.
And who was the one who wrote it?
Hannah Lucas.
All right, so Hannah, I'll be coming to you to answer that awesome question about blood. We all have it, so why is it there? See you and have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Watching WFB. Make it a great day at the branch. Bye!